Do you find it hard to save money? What if I told you that you can save your first $1,000 faster than you think? In today's video, I'll give you a clear step-by-step plan with real daily examples so you can start saving today. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how small daily habits can turn into big savings. Step 1. Track your money. The first step is knowing where your money goes. Most people spend without realizing it. Take a notebook or your phone and write down every expense for 1 week. Example, if you buy a $2 snack every day, that's $2 times 30 equals $60 per month. Add a $1 tea every morning. $1 times 30 equals $30 per month. That's $90 every month on small things you don't even notice. In 11 months, that's almost $1,000. When you track your money, you can see where to cut. Step 2. Cut unnecessary spending. Now that you know where your money goes, cut the things you don't really need. This doesn't mean living like a monk, but it means being smart. Example, if you eat out 3 times a week at $5 each, that's $15 weekly or $60 monthly. Cut it down to once a week. You save $40 per month. And if you use taxis daily for $3 each trip and switch to walking or bus 3 times a week, you save $3 times 12 trips equals $36 per month. Together, that's $76 saved every month. In 13 months, that's your $1,000. Step 3. 30-Day No-Spend Challenge. Here's a powerful trick, a 30-day no-spend challenge. For 1 month, spend only on needs: food, rent, transport, and bills. No new clothes, no unnecessary shopping, no extra treats. Example, if you usually spend $5 daily on coffee or snacks, skipping it saves $5 times 30 equals $150 in 1 month. That's 15% of your $1,000 goal in just 30 days. Step 4. Increase your income. Sometimes cutting expenses is not enough. The fastest way to save is also to earn extra. Example, if you do part-time teaching or freelancing and make just $50 per week, that's $200 per month. Combine this with cutting $150 in expenses, and you're saving $350 a month. At this rate, you'll reach $1,000 in less than 3 months. Step 5. Use the 50-30-20 rule. A simple money formula is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. 20% for savings. Example, if you earn $500, put $100 directly into savings. In 10 months, that's $1,000 without stress. Step 6. Automate your savings. Don't wait until the end of the month to save. Most people spend first and then save what's left, but usually nothing is left. Example, if you earn $400, move $50 immediately into savings. That's $50 times 12 equals $600 in 1 year. If you also cut $35 weekly from snacks and transport, that's $35 times 52 equals $1,820 a year. Now, not only do you reach $1,000, you go way beyond it. Here's the recap. 1. Track your money. 2. Cut unnecessary spending. 3. Try a 30-day no-spend challenge. 4. Increase your income. 5. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 6. Automate your savings. If you follow these steps, you can reach $1,000 faster than you ever imagined. Question for you. Which step will you start with today? Comment below. I'd love to hear your plan. And don't forget to subscribe for more money and finance tips that will change your life.